reflect to the time zone yet, but we change the time, so we will stick to 9 a.m. PST every Tuesday, like before. Thanks, Maxwell. You want we yeah, thanks a lot. And okay, we also have Bijou and also Anton. I think for Bijou side, I think you should be npm JS. So I think compared to last week, so we do not release new version on the CLI and also SDK. We are welcoming any feedback if you use that. If you have something that you would like to enhance or something that we can do on the CLI or SDK, just let us know. Okay, there is some question. How to connect Composio to AgenticFlow? So actually, that is quite straightforward actually. So when you go into MCP connection,
a lot of questions of everyone about what.
Let me go to Composio. Actually, Composio was I have a long time that I didn't using Composio. So I think we can using MCP, and I can copy this. Let me just go in Google Drive. I think before it was using like mcp.composio.def. It had been changed quite a while comparing to previously. I think previously that we are having is we can copy an MCP server URL, which is this one. No, it's not this one. This is going to, yeah, this one. So before, I think you will go into mcp.composio.def and you compare and you connect it, and then you can view server that you already have. Then you see that it's going to be what are kinds of like you can copy. Okay, so make sure that you are using this one. So HTTP Streamable, copy this one, and then you go into AgenticFlow, and then you can go into MCP server. And actually, you can go directly to any agent, and then you go into MCP. You click Add MCP. And you can just select anything, and then you can choose MCP or Composio. You choose Streamable HTTP, and then you paste here the URL that you have, and you have Composio MCP server. I think that's it. Yeah. So I think that should be it. And you add this MCP server in here, and you can see. So I load all of the tool that I just create on this one, and Composio is actually quite a lot of tool. It adds everything, and you can actually untick some of this one, so that it reducing the tool overload of the agent that it needed, and then hit edit, and then you can just chat with that and like per normal. So the step is you go into mcp.composio.dev dashboard, you connect your Google account into MCP, and you copy the URL. You choosing the correct format, either it is HTTP Streamable or SSE. You need to choose that correctly in AgenticFlow and so on. Okay. So next question is that Google Cloud Storage using MCP or Pipedream, but it need a path plan to connect. For Google Cloud Storage, actually, I will not using the MCP because I think connect via MCP or with Pipedream is not something that usable for something like Google Cloud. I think because Google Cloud actually they are very well documented in API. So I would rather than connect directly to the Google API directly, or using some kinds of like API call, which is more controllable. For Pipedream, I will use that for some less no connection that not worth my time to do the integration or not having any documentation on that. Yeah. So next question about Omra is how to achieve similar character with Nanobanana 2 file image, but have character image consistency between file image. Any advice? Actually, I do not know. I'm not quite a professional in the image generation, but I think what it could work is that instead of using only text to generate text character, I would suggest that pass some of the, you can using edit image, and then you can using this edit image, you choose Nanobanana 2, and then you passing the URL of the image here. So what I'm going to do is normally if I going to do it like you, I'm going to choosing image to URL. I can choose another one. I choose another image URL. So for example, I have 3 URL, right? I will use that. I will tell this is the prompt. This is going to be image URL 1, email 2. I will save. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this image in here. I just / space, and for this one, it's going to / paste. So this means it's similar like how you work with like the Gemini app. You drag 2 pictures as reference. So this one is the same. So you are telling you, please create a new referring to the attached image. So depends on what are the attached image that you are attaching in the request. Normally, Nanobanana will reflect that character. So do not try to using the character consistency only by prompt, but please send the reference image to it as a URL. So it means like, for example, I would like to have like characters image. I see. So these 2. Then I will reference it to that. Yeah. Character image and background image. So always that sending these 2 together with the prompt, then actually it's going to really help the AI model that when using Nanobanana in order to know what you are looking for. And yeah, for aspect ratio, I think this is something also very basic. You need to wait. Why is that? Because I need to select a connection first. Sorry, I need to select connection. So I think that pretty much it. So my tips for you is send this image together in the